So I'm disassembling my laptop. It's had a busted hinge ever since I got it. 10 points to anyone who can identify the engineering decision that caused the hinge to be screwed. 20 points to anyone who can tell me how to get all these damn screws out. They just turn endlessly and I can't pry them out. They seem to be wedged in with something underneath. Okay, it's half time. Time for intermission. Here's some of the shrapnel we dug out of this. Managed to get one screw out. If you can look closely, and you probably can't, you might see all the little, I don't know what they're bloody called, all the little inserts in there, and they've been hot snotted in. So I managed to get the screwdriver in there and just jam them so I can turn the screws out. A little bit more hot snot to go. Let's see how we go. I think I see something here. I can just pull this sucker out. I can pry the hinge up. It's not easy to do one-handed. I've been a computer guy for years, so you know I'm good at doing stuff one-handed. Look at that. Success. Look at this. Look at this tomfoolery. Hot snot was never going to hold that. We need some good resin. Maybe a bit of, I don't know, I might try some ABS goo. We'll see how we go. Jesus. I wonder they wouldn't come out. Look at that. Naturally, the Blue Devil Loctite. I don't know if you can see that there. There it is. Every single one of these screws has been Loctited in. Right. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright. Dug all that crap out. A half-assed attempt at cleaning it up a bit. Pretended to wipe some of the dust off. Now I think it's time for a little intermission. Give me a quick drink. No, not that. Beer. For hard-earned thirst, you need some crap. It's whatever's cheapest at the bottle-o. Now, I don't endorse this next activity, but pretty nice. Just in case you were wondering, a good way to look after your screws if you're ever disassembling a laptop. Take a photo of it. Spray the back of that sheet, print it out, spray the back of it with contact adhesive and stick it down to your desk. Then spray the front and stick those little bastard screws all over the place on the picture of the holes they're meant to go in. That way when you sneeze and bump the table, the bastards don't go flying everywhere and you lose them in your carpet. I'll be back in a couple of minutes after this little intermission. Go make yourself a cup of tea or something.